So first off, I wanted to say thanks a lot to all the views and everybody that's been checking out the videos and stuff recently. Really means a lot. Trying to give back, doing some live streams at the bench, different topics here and there, things. Some stuff for the DJI crowd and stuff here for FPV, tearing things down, redoing some things, all that kind of stuff. So this is the 5.5-inch Proton. Definitely my favorite rig right now. See that plane flying by there to the left? Kind of had to slow down a little bit here to see what he was doing, so he was turning around. And anyway, so the 5.5 Proton, man, 5.5 is just awesome. This thing's running on 5S. It's just really the perfect mix of feel and everything. It's so light. I'm running on a 1300 5S, so I've got all out 4.5 to like 5 minutes of battery power, plenty of control and authority. I'm still getting used to flying it. I'm not 100% confident on the sticks yet, but I'm building some confidence with every flight that I can get in. Had another great day today, so it was just awesome to fly. Also working on some LUTs. You know, there's a lot of free LUTs and looks and all that kind of stuff out there for Premiere and Final Cut Pro, especially for drones and GoPro footage, but none of them really hit the mark. So everyone takes, at least in my opinion, a little bit of tweaking. Some I paid for, some are free, but I'm going to be working on some here over the next couple months, and maybe I will drop them out to people. I know some people in the Long Range Hooligans group are doing some stuff with the DaVinci Resolve, and Resolve's pretty cool. It's just all about what you have and what you're willing to learn and deal with. But anyway, yeah, talking about the Proton, I mean, 352 grams is my setup, running the GenFan 5552s or 5551s, whatever they are. Thing's just a mean flying machine. I just love it. The only thing I don't like about it right now is the Cadix Micro turbo camera. It was really rough flying into the sun with it here during this flight. So I've got a Foxeer Predator Micro on the way. I'm an Eagle 2 user on all of my other ships, but that won't fit on the Proton here, so I had to go with something smaller, and thank goodness that Foxeer came out with something that performs, it looks like, if not as good, better than the actual Eagle 2s from all the footage that I've seen. So can't wait to get that installed, hopefully here in the next couple days. But I just can't say enough about the frame, and you know, I know 6-inch arms are coming out. I really don't even know if I'm even going to try the 6-inch arms. 5.5 is just such a great spot to be in when it comes to power and cost and weight and everything else that you might be willing to deal with. Tuning this one was not bad at all because it has the integrated butter mounts. Everything about the frame is just great. There's a place to put everything. I did get rid of the axis stubby and went to a longer pagoda antenna, but it comes out of the back in the 3D printed mount at such a perfect angle. You could really use any antenna that you want, even though I know most of us mid and long range people are using pagodas because they tend to be a lot more rigid. We can put them in a good orientation and they just kind of stay there. So anyway, guys, rambled on enough. Enjoy the rest of the flight. If you want to see me loop around the house here, like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. We'll see you on the next video.